guys, so I'm doing a reaction video. Yay. Thank you for watching. So I'm going to react to Charli XCX, her song Forever, because I am actually quite a good fan. Haven't got the chance to see her live and I would like to, so that is on my to-do list. But she's done a song that came out quite recently. She's got another one as well, Claw. But this is her video for Forever, so let's watch it. Yeah. She's got everyone involved in this, which is pretty cool. I just like the fact that she's got everyone involved in this, so like I don't know if they're random people or people she knows. So when I say random people, I mean her fans, her angels, as she calls them. And yeah. But she's also got herself in it, so it's like quite relatable, I guess. All the like people, what everyone's doing at this moment in time, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, let's carry on. I also like the fact that some of the images will like go with the words, and I feel like it's something to do with loss. I think we'll see. Especially with the the lyrics of
You're in my head. I love you, I love you forever. Even when we're not together, I will always love you. I love you forever. Said I love you forever. I know in the future we won't see each other. Cold just like December, but I will always love you. I love you forever. Yeah, I love you forever.
I feel like it's about loss, and I know a lot of people have lost people during this horrible time, so I hope everyone feels peace somehow. It's not a good feeling. I really do like the fact that she's got everyone's clips into this and it's all edited nicely together. I also like the fact that it's not all like I guess the same quality, like there's like some realness into these videos, you know? It is really nicely put together. It's kind of making me emotional. If I'm really serious right now, it's kind of... Seriously hitting me in the veils. beautiful, to be honest. Like, I've listened to the song loads, but then like seeing a visual to the song kind of made me feel really emotional, because like there's a lot of, it made it a bit more real, if that makes sense, to the words. Like, I've listened to the song like so many times and repeat, like, and obviously you have your own visuals and you listen to a song, and then you're watching a video which is like, you know, what it is for them, but then also she's added other people's videos to it, so it's like got really personal really quick, and it kind of makes you think a bit more, and you know, yeah, it just felt really deep in its own way, and I really enjoyed it. I felt like massive fan of hers, and I'm actually glad she put a song out. Like, quite a few people have put songs out, and it's quite good because most of the videos are like showing you you're not alone during all this, like, yeah, can't really explain it anymore than I want to without getting too deep, because I'm not about that life right now, not for these sort of videos. So, but I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Like, I actually enjoyed watching the video. Like, it really hit me in the feels, quite mental, really. Songs and videos can do that, right? You know, when you watch like a TV series and you're just all like just go to each other. Yeah, obviously this isn't about that. It's more like, you know, as it says, I'll see you in the future and we'll be with each other. So yeah, I'm sure like it does maybe don't put you at ease, but makes you a bit emotional. It's meant to. Like, sometimes it's better to feel than not to feel. That's all I'm gonna say. Because, okay, yeah, not feeling's good, but it's better to feel and let it all out. Trust me on that one, even though it hurts. You know, reach out to people. There's good people in the world. So yeah. And you know what I'm gonna say? Subscribe, like, and comment. Give me some songs to listen to and react to. I appreciate it very much. Thank you for watching.